Welcome to our Tahiti Dance Fitness classes with me, teacher Bea. Today we're going to learn a beautiful poetic dance. It's on all levels. It's not really beginners, but we're still going to have fun. For those not subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button. Are you ready? Let's get dancing.
So let's do the hands motions first, okay? Show me your hands here. And we're going to start like this. Look at my hands, and we're gonna make a circle, touch your fingers, make a straight line like this. Yes. Go to your left, make a big circle, come back up, very good. And we drop, extend your right hand. This is your right hand. This is your left, waving, right, same thing, and left, extend. Look side and front. Touch your forehead up, look to the left, come back. Swipe, unfold, look up, right hand, shoulders front, repeat same thing, and then from here touch the body all the way up. Look right, look left, great. Unfold. Touch your hands like this. Drop. Your left hand is gonna go up. Great. Extend, extend, extend. Right, left, right. Touch. Point your finger, and extend up. Very good. So, from here, we go like this. Cross. And we unfold up and drop again. Great. Okay, so let's repeat one more time. Ready? Show me your hands. And we go. Circle, drop to the left, up. Great. Right, left, right hand. Awesome. From here, I go like this. I go forehead up. Look left, come back. Swipe. Very good. With your right hand. Shoulders, shoulders. Awesome. Down, up, extend gracefully. Look right, look left. Extend, touch your fingers. Left hand up. Right, left, right. Point your finger to the temples. Extend up, cross, and unfold, and drop. Very good. So now we're going to do the steps one by one. Extend to the right, extend to the left. Come back, turn to the left. Great. From here, stay, and we're going to go Amaha right foot, come back. Left foot front, right foot front, left foot front. Very good. Sway your hips to the right, hura, drop down and up. Tap right, push your hips, tap left. From here, I'm gonna go point, and I go like this. Tap right, amaha left. Two big circles with your hips. Tamau front, right hip, left hip, right hip, left hip. Turn to the right, turn back. And face here, this side. Your left foot goes back, right foot goes back, left foot stay. And point. And face front. Tap right foot, extend left, right. Great. Feet together, make two big circles. Ami. Awesome. Face here, lift your left foot and drop gracefully. Great. So now let's do everything together. Ready? And we go. Hop. Extend your arms. Lean to the right, make a big circle. Feet together, turn to the left. You got this. From here, I stay. I tap right. Amaha left, push your hip. Right hip and left. Great. From here, I swing my hips to the right, left, go down and up. Hura. Yes. Hop, push right hip, come back, look left, come back, swipe and look up. Ready? Amaha right, push your hip, left foot. Awesome. 2 big circles with your hips, extend your arms. And front, 1, 2, 3, 4. Push your hips. Turn back to the right. All the way face here and lift. Ready? Left foot goes backwards with the left hand. It goes left, right, left for the feet. Stay. Look back, look front, and face forward. Awesome, you got this. Point right foot, point left foot, right foot, extend. Yes. Big circles with your hips. And unfold. Ready? Left foot and drop. Very good. Let's repeat everything one last time. So we go like this. Point your right foot, extend your arms, make a big circle, lean to the right, and then hop to the left, to the right, feet together, turning to the left. Awesome. You got this. Let's go. Amaha right, push your right hip, left hip, right hip, and left hip. Great. From here, sway your hips, hura right, left, down right, and left. From there, right, up, left. Swipe, and we go. Right foot, left foot. Awesome. Big circles 2 times. Great. Go front, right, left, left. Turn back to the right and point. Lift your left foot. Left foot back, right foot back, left foot back. Left hand up. Stay, back, front, and stay. Ready? Point, toro right foot, extend left foot. Extend hands up. 2 big circles, ami. And we go to the side, left foot up, and pose gracefully. Yes, let's go, let's get dancing.
Manako iaku mau piri iaku. manea mai te puranga e ia ta manea ki runga ia koe mahine manako 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 ia koe mau piri ia koe Mata manea mai te puranga e ia ta manea ki runga ia koe mahine manako 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 ia koe mau piri ia koe Mata manea mai te puranga e ia ta manea ki runga ia koe mahine manako 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 ia koe mau piri ia koe.
Well done, congratulations on today's dance class. Comment below, tell me how it was for you, and come and join me for more classes. You have all the links below. Stay your amazing self always, and see you soon.